keep crossing. Cute. Tiny home. We made it, Zuko. The bed's up there. You're chunky. Ready? Good catch.
Back it up. Come.
We're clean. I'm not a fan of these pillows. Ew. They look gross. Good morning. Go potty. This is how I learned turkeys don't gobble. Oh, they have so many dogs. There's the cows. What are you doing? Are you scared? Let's unbox this Polaroid camera together. Okay. Hello. Let's start creating. It's so cute. I don't think we grabbed the film. We made waffles for breakfast. Yum. The waffle's good. I'm impressed. Doing a waterfall hike. It's supposed to be 4.5 miles round trip. It should take 2 to 3 hours. First sign we've encountered. We're going to Little Michelle Waterfall. So I'm assuming we're going the right way. There's a river down below. There's people down there. Finally found the trail. Yay! Ah. We made it. That was only a mile and a half, not even. Our waterfall snack. from up there. I'm gonna go up the side of it so Chino can take a picture of it. Oh, there's people. I made it to the top. Made it to the middle falls. Wow. Good boy. Yeah. Oh, I'm tired. That was uphill. Such a cute little town. Found a froyo shop. A calf. Yeah, of cheesecake. A little bit. Yeah. Just a little bit. Thank you. I haven't been to a froyo shop in forever. Look at how cute. Oh, there's goats. Go stand over there then. If you don't want to say hi. Look how cute the cow is. Oh, he's cute. See the piggies.
Come here. Go. Come.
Chickens. We have pork belly and galbi for dinner. Yay! So hungry. Let's eat.
You're gonna let us from.
Hoping my hair looks okay. Had these on for 2 days. Moment of truth. I don't know how to French braid. I only know how to do this twist, so don't know. Okay. Not bad. The ends are just gonna be that awkward. You know, not bad. Right? Just needs just. Oh, she's cute. It's been a while since I've done my hair like this. I just have these awkward long or awkward straight pieces, but that's not bad. Okay. Sit check. And I'm gonna wear this with my brown boots. Breakfast, bacon and eggs, waffles. These waffles are really good. They're the Kodiak cake waffles. Hi, Daco. We are in Seattle now, and we're gonna try a matcha place, of course.
Yeah.
Look at this bakery. It's Pinoyski. Ooh. I'm going here. Sticky bun. Tiramisu, calamansi. Maybe I'll try the pork bacon. Ooh, wait, with lamb bread? Maybe I'll try that. This one sounds good too. Oh, it's so good. Okay, I got the liempo pork. This is it's called bamboo shoot, but it has, I think it's passion fruit yuzu? I can't remember, but it sounded good. And then I got the cocoa matcha cloud. This is the only matcha drink they had left. And then the hojicha einspanner. Yeah. Yum! I'm excited to try it. Also, the line was kind of long, but it went by so fast because they had so many workers. This is delicious. The meat is juicy too. This is a 10 out of 10 for me. This is so good. What would you rate it? Yum. Yeah. That's good. I think it's pandan coconut yuzu. White chocolate shell. Good. It's too pretty. And compare it to the Project Matcha one. It's pretty good. I think it's not sweet though because of you just ate this. These are like $7+ drinks, by the way. Hojicha's good. I like that. Yeah, they have a matcha shortage. No matcha. How unfortunate. They opened a matcha shop and they don't have any matcha. This is good. They also had like an ube latte here. If I didn't get 2 drinks already, I would have got that. Okay, I rate these drinks 3 out of 5. They're okay. I definitely like Project Matcha better. The Hojicha is also okay. We walked around at the park for a little bit and now we're gonna get lunch with a friend at a tonkatsu place. Or we're gonna see if it's open. Anyways. We're in a very tight parking spot. So, katsu place is closed, womp womp. We are gonna go to a Japanese restaurant instead. I think it's like sushi. That's okay.
1, super far. 2, lots of Arabs.
Nana's green tea. We're trying Nana's green tea. I think I've only had this one other time and it was a long time ago. We walked 20 minutes here because we didn't have to repark. I got the warabi mochi. How do you say that? Waraba mochi? Waraba mochi. I got the warabi mochi. I don't know how to say it. Parfait. That was embarrassing trying to order that.
I'm sure you're not the first person.
Can I get the warabi mochi? Please,
Wario mochi.
The Wario.
Lay down. Lay down, lay down. Take a break. Take a break, break.
The warabi mochi is good. I didn't grab a spoon for you. We have to share a spoon.
Should try the matcha. Matcha's really good.
What's this?
Oh,
Jelly?
No, the bottom.
oh.
Oh.
Yeah, wanna try some?
Yeah. Interesting.
The mochi?
No, the hojicha.
Right?
Yeah.
Or no, two though.